If you are considering not doing an estate plan and just trying to get around doing an estate plan by maybe adding your kid to title, I want to go through 5 different reasons why this is a bad idea. The first one is that when you have title to your house in your own individual name and you just add your child onto title to avoid having to go through probate, the idea is that if something happens to me, it's just going to pass to this one child. Where people don't consider is the tax implications that can occur. So the first one is property tax assessment. Your property may be reassessed when you add your child onto your property. So if you have a really low tax basis, then that's going to increase your property taxes by adding your child onto your deed. The next one is what we call a step up in basis. So generally, somebody will receive a step up in basis when they inherit property by somebody passing away. However, if you just add your child onto title while you are still alive, they will not receive that step up in basis, which means that when you pass away and that property is now going to them because they're now on title, they will have to pay capital gains taxes from the time that you purchased that property until the time that they sold it. Whereas if they would have just inherited through your trust, then they would have got that step up in basis and they would have only had to pay capital gains taxes from the time that you passed away until the time that they sold it. So it can be a lot less from a tax perspective for them.